Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your WhatsApp account permanently. So guys, if you're using iPhone or Android phone and try to delete your WhatsApp account permanently, I will help you how to do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back. And guys, now you need to open your app store, and here you need to search WhatsApp. And guys, you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, then you need to update your app first, and after doing update you need to go back. So guys, after doing all these settings, you need to open your WhatsApp here and click on settings. And guys, now here is the option of account, click on it, and here you will see delete my account. And guys, here you need to put your number. So guys, for example, my number is this, and now you need to click on delete my account. And guys, after this you will receive an OTP. So guys, I have entered wrong number. So guys, when you have entered your correct number, you will receive OTP on your phone number, and you have to put that OTP here, and after this your account will be deleted permanently. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.